Another challenge is the extreme cold temperatures at the bottom of the trench range between 1 and 4 degrees Celsius. This icy environment slows biological processes and limits the amount of available energy. Food is extremely scarce. Most deep-sea creatures rely on marine snow, tiny particles of organic material drifting down from the surface. Occasionally, a dead whale or large fish falls to the ocean floor, providing a temporary feast for deep-sea life. These rare events can sustain entire ecosystems for years. Decades after the first dive, exploration of the trench continues. In 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron descended solo to the bottom using the submersible Deep-Sea Challenger. His mission collected valuable scientific data and high-resolution imagery. Later expeditions led by explorer Victor Vescovo used the advanced vehicle DSV limiting factor to perform multiple dives. Each mission reveals new information about this mysterious world, yet much of the trench remains unexplored. Descending into the Mariana Trench means entering an environment unlike any other. At the bottom, the pressure reaches more than 1,000 times the pressure at sea level, that is equivalent to placing the weight of 50 jumbo jets on top of a single human body. Under such pressure, most submarines, and all ordinary materials, would be instantly crushed. The ocean at this depth behaves almost like a solid force pressing in from every direction. Only specially designed submersibles can survive these conditions. Despite centuries of exploration, the ocean remains largely unknown as scientists estimate that more than 80% of the deep ocean is still unexplored. The Mariana Trench is a reminder that our own planet still holds incredible mysteries. Beneath kilometers of crushing water lies a world of strange creatures, extreme physics, and scientific discovery, and somewhere in that silent darkness, new secrets are still waiting to be found. The deepest place on Earth may also be one of the last great frontiers of exploration. Despite its importance, the Mariana Trench remains one of the least explored places on Earth. In fact, more people have walked on the moon than have visited the bottom of the trench. The first successful descent occurred in 1960, when the bathyscaphe Trieste carried Jacques Picard and Don Walsh into the abyss. Their journey lasted nearly 5 hours. When they reached the bottom, they saw something astonishing. Even at the deepest place on Earth, life existed. For many years, scientists believed life could not survive such extreme conditions, but exploration revealed an astonishing truth. The Mariana Trench is home to creatures perfectly adapted to the deep point. One of the most remarkable discoveries is the snailfish, a delicate-looking animal found living deeper than any other fish on Earth. Its body lacks rigid bones, allowing it to withstand the immense pressure. Instead of collapsing, the fish's tissues remain flexible and stable. In the vast blue expanse of the Pacific Ocean lies a place deeper than any mountain is tall. This is the Mariana Trench, the deepest known location in Earth's oceans, stretching over 2,500 kilometers. This enormous underwater canyon lies east of the Philippines and south of Japan, but the trench is not simply deep, it is unimaginably deep. At its lowest point lies Challenger Deep, plunging nearly 11 kilometers beneath the ocean surface. To understand that depth, imagine dropping Mount Everest into the trench. Even Everest's summit would still be submerged beneath more than 2 kilometers of water. This is not just the deepest part of the ocean, it is the deepest place on Earth. Life in the trench requires remarkable biological adaptations. The proteins inside these organisms are specially structured to function under intense pressure. Their cell membranes remain flexible despite the crushing forces surrounding them. Some species rely on chemosynthesis, obtaining energy from chemical reactions instead of sunlight. In many ways, the Mariana Trench resembles environments scientists believe may exist on distant worlds, such as the hidden oceans beneath the icy crust of Europa. Studying the trench may help scientists understand how life could exist beyond Earth. One of the most surprising findings in the Mariana Trench is not a new species, but human pollution. As scientists have discovered plastic waste and microplastics even at the deepest point in the ocean. This discovery demonstrates how deeply human activity affects the planet. Even the most remote and extreme environments are no longer untouched. The deepest place on Earth carries the fingerprints of humanity. Some animals in the trench appear unusually large. Deep-sea researchers have discovered giant amphipods, shrimp-like crustaceans that grow far larger than their shallow-water relatives. Scientists believe this phenomenon may be related to the abundance of oxygen and the slow metabolism of deep-sea organisms. Other creatures include sea cucumbers, deep-sea worms, mysterious gelatinous organisms. Many of them have translucent bodies, giving them an almost alien appearance. Sunlight can only penetrate the ocean to about 200 meters. Below that lies a region scientists call the midnight zone. The Mariana Trench lies far below this boundary. Down there, Complete darkness dominates. No sunrise. No sunset. No light from above. Yet strangely, the deep ocean is not entirely dark. Many creatures produce their own light through a phenomenon called bioluminescence. Flashes of blue, green, and violet glow in the abyss, like a silent galaxy beneath the sea. The Mariana Trench formed because of powerful forces moving beneath the Earth's crust. Our planet's surface is divided into massive sections called tectonic plates. In this region, the Pacific plate is slowly sliding beneath the Mariana plate. This process is known as subduction. As the heavier Pacific plate sinks downward into the mantle, it pulls the ocean floor with it, creating a massive trench. This process has been shaping the region for millions of years, carving the deepest scar in Earth's crust.
Subscribe Info Beyond Borders now for more mind-blowing knowledge.